Hi there, Christine. My name is Marcy, and I was speaking with Cindy earlier today, and she said that you would be the one to watch this video that I'm going to make. Now, I'm just going to share with you some information. I like to just educate business owners, and then they can make decisions of what they want to do on things that you can do if you wanted to beat all competitors as far as your online presence to bring in more traffic through the use of your website. So I'm going to go over three things today. I'm going to go over content and backlinks and citations. So by content, I mean the words on the page. If we do our keyword research and we build you build the content around the words that people are actually searching for, it's shocking how it contributes to your rankings. Just a quick go over how Google sets up their first page. They're always going to have the paid ads at the top. So if anybody's to click on those, of course, it's going to cost the business money. The next section is the Maps listing, Google My Business listing. These are great places to get your business up into for the search terms. The search term that I used today was air duct cleaning. So statistics show that probably about 40-50% of the clicks are going to these three businesses that show up for any given search term. And then down here is what's considered the organic listing. So when people click here, the businesses aren't paying for it. And what contributes to be in these positions on the first page are predominantly the three things that I'll share with you today. So content, you guys do have a fair bit of content on your front page, the home page. I would hazard a guess though that there could be maybe missed opportunities in there to get the words, the services that you are in fact providing. Now, I took the number one spot organically just to kind of show you what goes on behind the scenes as far as the backlinking. Easy way to understand backlinks. Let's look at the internet as a big popularity contest. So a backlink aka a vote, right? What a backlink is when another website on the internet links back to yours. So as I said, Google kind of sees that as a vote. You're relevant. Other sites out there are recognizing you and linking back to you. So the one that's ranking in the number one organic position for that search term there had 436 visitors to their site, brought to their site roughly last month. In the equivalent would have been a couple grand worth of paid ads. So we put you guys in there. You had 77 visitors last month, which with the equivalent of just about $300 if you were doing that in paid ads. So you can see with these tools we can get in there and find which keywords you're being found for. So your exact business name, you can see you're in the number one position. You're doing good here for the dryer vent cleaning Vancouver. You're in the number one position too. You can see it brought 40 visitors. 40 people were searching using that search term there last month. So of course they vary month to month what's going on. But a deep dive in here, doing the research on the keywords and having some authoritative content added to your first page is huge. Let's take a look here. Roof vent. You can actually name pictures whatever you want to name them. Cleaning trucks. So what you want to do is again, that's kind of a missed opportunity. If you went in there and you name the words that a searcher would be typing into the search bar, then they're going to help again. Google doesn't, the bots that crawl the websites in order to see what's going on, they can't read. Well, they would read what that picture was named at. So you name it as a search term, and it's another opportunity for them to put you up there. See, they want to keep people. Google wants to keep people on their search engine. So when searchers put a term in here, that Google wants to serve up the most relevant results, and that's why the content is so important that people don't really realize. Now back to these three spots, and a big contributor, of course, it kind of falls in line with the organic. You can see the modern pure there is the number one spot here and the number one spot. So that's one of the factors that's going to sort of go hand in hand. But another one is citations. This is actually a citation. What a citation is a place on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number. So if I put that search term into a local citation finder, And you can see we had modern, executive, and I think unique. Yeah. And you can see executive, modern, and unique. So 9 times out of 10, when I'll put it into this tool, they do fall hand in hand. So the things that I'm going over with you today, it's not rocket science. It's really just going in, reverse engineering what the top guys are doing, and then doing the keyword research, finding out what words they're being found for, how much the search volume is, and what you want to target with some content, and that's how you beat them. So I hope you found the information useful. If you're wanting to bring in more business and dominate your competitors as far as their online presence goes, I'm just going to process this video and get it off in the email to you. And thank you for taking the time to watch it. Once again, my name is Marcy.